Look here, this is cylinder number 3, which is a known good cylinder. All right. There's a much higher pattern on here, well above 100 psi cranking. I understand it should be higher, but I think a lot of this has to do with what pressure transducer I'm using here. So this may not be actual. It may not be actually zeroed. So, but that's what. But at this point, it doesn't matter. We just know that number 4 cylinder is down. When you compare it to a good known cylinder, this is going to be enough. We know that cylinder is down, and it's obviously bad, and that's enough. Thank you.